Are you ready to unlock the secret to skyrocketing your mining power and securing your spot in the next massive airdrop? In this video, I'm revealing the insider tips on how to boost your mining levels, maximize your earnings on CEXP, and get ahead of the game before the highly anticipated listing drops. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you could change your crypto journey forever. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving into some crucial topics that will help you get ahead in the crypto world, especially if you're using CEXP. First, we'll explore how to boost your levels, ensuring that you can maximize your rewards and progress faster. Then, we'll focus on increasing your mining power, which is key to earning more and unlocking better opportunities on the platform. Next, I'll guide you through the account creation process step by step, so you can easily set up your profile and start trading on CEXP's trading platform, whether you're on your mobile device or using a computer. This is the foundation you'll need to begin your crypto journey with confidence. But that's not all. I'll also walk you through the CEX.io roadmap, breaking down what to expect in the upcoming phases of the platform's development, including some exciting features and updates. Finally, we'll take a look at the upcoming airdrop listing date, arguably one of the most anticipated events. I'll explain how you can position yourself to be fully prepared for it, ensuring you don't miss out on any valuable opportunities. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with everything you need to level up your game on CEXP. Let's start with levels on CEXP. Boosting your level is crucial to enhancing your mining power and overall experience on the platform. Think of it as a strategic progression that unlocks better rewards, opportunities, and increased mining efficiency. Here's how it works. First, head to the Levels section of your account to see where you currently stand in your mining journey. This is your starting point, and from here, you can set your sights on achieving higher levels. There are several mining tiers you can reach, each one representing a significant milestone. Stone Miner. Your initial level where the journey begins. At this stage, you're just getting started, but there's plenty of room for growth. Copper Miner. A step up from Stone Miner, with slightly improved mining efficiency and potential. Iron Miner. Now you're gaining momentum with increased mining power and rewards starting to become more noticeable. Silver Miner. Progressing to this level enhances your mining abilities, opening the door to even more significant earnings. Gold Miner. Achieving Gold Miner status puts you in a stronger position with improved mining efficiency and greater potential returns. Platinum Miner. As a Platinum Miner, you're now operating at an advanced level with significantly better mining capabilities. Ruby Miner. Reaching Ruby Miner level means you're in the top tier of miners, with impressive mining power and efficiency. Diamond Miner. This level is where things get serious. Diamond miners are among the elite, reaping substantial rewards from their efforts. Adamantium Miner. Nearing the pinnacle, Adamantium miners enjoy unparalleled mining efficiency and the ability to earn rewards faster than ever before. Vibranium Miner, the ultimate mining level. Vibranium miners are the most powerful on the platform, with unmatched mining power, efficiency, and access to the highest rewards. Each of these levels represents a new milestone in your mining journey, and as you move up through the ranks, your mining efficiency improves significantly. But remember, progression is all about engagement and strategy. The more active you are on the platform, the faster you'll climb the levels. So keep a close eye on your level progress and strive to reach higher tiers to unlock the full potential of CEXP's mining system. Now, if you're looking to boost your level and increase your mining power on CEXP, the process is straightforward but requires consistent engagement. One of the key features you'll want to utilize is the Squad section. Here's where you can claim your daily mining rewards and take a step closer to leveling up. Let's break it down with a practical example. By heading to the Squad section and clicking the Claim button, I can instantly collect 1.5 crypto tokens. These tokens are directly added to my account balance, contributing to my overall mining power. The more tokens you collect, the more power you'll gain, which in turn accelerates your level progression. Once you've claimed these rewards, the tokens you've accumulated can be converted into mining power. For example, if you have 11 tokens in balance. By converting this balance into mining power, I'll get a significant boost that directly enhances my ability to mine more crypto and, ultimately, level up faster. The key here is consistency. Regularly claiming your rewards and converting your balance will ensure that your mining power continues to grow, pushing you closer to higher levels. The more frequently you engage with this system, the faster you'll climb through the levels, gaining access to bigger and better rewards along the way. So be sure to check in daily, claim your rewards, and convert your tokens to maximize your mining efficiency. We're currently in the heart of Season 2 of the airdrop, and if you've been following closely, you'll know there's been a lot of buzz about when the official listing will take place. I've got some important updates for you on that front. According to the CEXP roadmap, we're moving swiftly toward the listing date, and it's all happening very soon. Let's take a quick look at the roadmap to see how things are unfolding. Q2 was all about empowering the community. Q3 focused on integrating the ecosystem. Q4 is where we are now, the airdrop and listing phase. And here's the exciting part. We're already in Q4, meaning the airdrop and the official listing will be happening in the months of October, November, or December. So, while the exact date hasn't been locked in just yet, it's guaranteed to occur within this final quarter of the year. The admins have assured us that the specific listing date will be announced very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that crucial update. If you've been preparing for this moment, now's the time to stay tuned and make sure you're ready for when the airdrop and listing go live. This is going to be a game changer and you don't want to miss out. Back to increasing your mining power. After converting your crypto tokens, you can look for cards that help boost your mining efficiency. Click on the Mine section, and you'll see various options to boost your mining session. Higher-level cards, or CEXP, will give you a substantial increase in mining power, which in turn helps you accumulate more rewards. Now let's talk about how to create an account on CEXP. This platform is not only great for mining, but also functions as a trading platform. The app is available on both the Apple Store and Google Play, so you can access it from your phone or desktop. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download the CEXP app from either Google Play or the Apple Store. Once installed, open the app and you'll be greeted with a welcome screen inviting you to create an account. Click on Create Account and enter your email address. After entering your email, it will prompt you to create a password. Make sure your password is at least 10 characters long, contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, includes at least one number. Once your password is set, click Continue. You'll then be asked to select your country of residence. You'll then go through a simple CAPTCHA verification process. Identity verification. Next, you'll need to verify your identity, which is a crucial step on the CEXP platform. You'll be asked to provide your national ID or driver's license. You'll also need to take a selfie with your ID, ensuring both your face and the document are clearly visible. Once this is done, the system will automatically verify your identity. Once verified, your account is ready for trading. That's how you create an account on CEXP and get started with mining and trading. I hope this guide helps you get the most out of this platform. Remember, the airdrop listing is just around the corner, so now is the perfect time to start boosting your levels and mining power. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for all the latest crypto news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.